Besides lunch, what do students look forward to each day? Recess. And the students at Thurgood Marshall Elementary School got not one, but two new playgrounds to enjoy.
Yes, we did. We did a ribbon cutting ceremony on the pre-K, kindergarten one yesterday, and today we did 1st through 5th grade. It's an awesome day out.
The playgrounds were built in a partnership with our school system and the city's Rec and Parks Department. Thurgood Marshall Elementary has also been adopted by a local church, who bless these playgrounds and helps the school any way it can.
We believe that ministry goes beyond the four walls of the sanctuary, and it's meeting the needs of people with the love of God. And so it was our aspiration to come over to Thurgood Marshall and assist them in any needs that they may have. This is absolutely beautiful. I mean, even the mulch is so soft, I can't imagine anybody falling off the playground and hurting themselves. I think the city and Ms. Lopez did a great job in putting this here for our children.